Hey there, amazing souls! Welcome back to your channel name, the go-to place for practical tips and motivation. Today we've got something special lined up. 10 game-changing tips on setting and crushing your goals in record time. And trust me, it's going to be more impactful than your morning coffee. Tip 1. Clearly define your goals. All right, let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Be crystal clear about your goals. Whether it's career advancement, personal development, or a fitness journey, specificity is key. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, say, I will run a 5K in 3 months. Now that's a target you can hit. Tip 2. Prioritize with the 80-20 rule. Tip number 2 brings us to the powerful 80-20 rule. Identify the 20% of tasks that contribute to 80% of your success. Focus on those tasks and watch your productivity soar. Work smarter, not harder. Tip 3. Continuous learning. Host. The journey of self-improvement never stops. Tip 3. Embrace continuous learning. Devote some time each day to acquiring new skills or expanding your knowledge. Remember, learning equals earning. Tip 4. Establish a morning routine. Tip number 4 is a game changer. Develop a morning routine. Starting your day with positive habits sets the tone for success. Whether it's meditation, exercise, or planning your day, a solid morning routine can make all the difference. Tip 5. Network with purpose. Now, let's talk about networking with purpose for tip number 5. Build meaningful connections with people who share your goals or have walked the path you're on. Networking isn't just about who you know, but about who knows you. Tip 6. Master the Pomodoro technique. Tip 6 is a time management gem, the Pomodoro technique. Work intensely for 25 minutes, then take a short break. This boosts focus and productivity, helping you make the most out of your time. Tip 7. Automate repetitive tasks. For tip number 7, let technology be your ally. Automate repetitive tasks to save time and energy. From email management to social media scheduling, automation can be a real game changer. And there you have it, folks. 10 tips to supercharge your goal-setting journey. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your fellow goal-getters. Until next time, keep pushing boundaries and unlocking your full potential. This is Steven signing off from SUPERATE Automata. Bye.